Hey guys, this is UBR Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you how to swap out your P365 grip module with a P365 XL grip module. Before I get started, I'd like to give a big thanks to Detroit Holster for sending out this grip module. They make custom handcrafted holsters, and they also make laser etched P365 and P365 XL grip modules. This one here is a snakeskin design. So this is what it looks like before they laser etched it, and then this is what it looks like after. And this looks really cool. I love this. And as you can see, it is laser etched all the way up here, which gives you better grip for your hand. It feels really good. So with that being said, let's get into the video and I'll show you how to swap this out. So what you're going to need to get this done is a 3mm punch, possibly a armorer's hammer, and a armorer's block. I'm going to use my SIG Armorer's Block. This one is like awesome for any work that you're going to do in a P365 or a P320. If you don't have a regular armorer's block, you could also use a roll of tape. And so basically what you would do is you would take the roll of tape and you would lay the gun onto the tape, and then you can knock out that pin and using this as your armorer's block. Today I'll be using my SIG Armorer's Block. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're safe. There is no mag in here and there's nothing in the chamber, so we're clear. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab the slide from the rear and we're going to pull it to the rear while holding up on this slide lock. So we're going to hold up, grab it from the rear, pull back, and it locks in place. Next, we're going to take the takedown lever right here and pull that down to the 6 o'clock position. Next, we're going to grab the slide from the rear again and pull it to the rear. We're going to see the slide lock disengage, and then as soon as you see that, follow the slide forward and take it off. You could set this part down because you're not going to need that anymore. If you can't take the 3mm punch and just push this pin out, you're going to need to set your grip module on your armorer's block or the roll of tape, and then you're going to need to take the 3mm punch, place that punch over the pin just like this, and you're going to want to tap out that pin just like that. Once it comes out the other side, you can pull that out. Now all you have to do is take the FCU, which is this part right here, grab it from the rear right above the place where you took out the pin and pull upward. Once you've done that, you're going to keep pulling up and it's going to go on an angle, as you can see right here. Once you've gotten on an angle, then you're going to pull up and out just like that. You could set this part aside. Then you could take your new grip module, your P365 XL grip module, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the trigger right here and you're going to put the trigger into this hole right here. Not this one. This is for your mag. This one is where the trigger is going to go into. So it's going to go in just like this. This part, which is your takedown lever, is going to go into this half circle right here. Push that down just like that. You notice you're back into an angle with your FCU. Then you're going to take your thumb, place it over the takedown lever, and then push down on the rear of the FCU, and then you're going to keep pushing until it clicks into place. Just like that. Next, take your pin, put it into this hole right here, push it in, and it should click into place. You notice that the pin is not sticking out on either side, so we are good. So with the P365, there are two things that we have to check before we could put the slide back on. One is this piece right here. So it could be up like that, and that would prevent the slide from going all the way to the rear. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that that is down, okay, just like that. The second thing is we have to make sure that the takedown lever is in the 6 o'clock position. For my P365, every time I take off the slide, it actually goes up like this, and then when you push down, it gets kind of like locked and you can't pull it down to the 6 o'clock position anymore. If this happens to you, what you're going to do is you're going to push up and hold up on the slide lock, just like this, and then you're going to pull down on the takedown lever. You can release your hand on the slide lock and actually push it down. You're going to hear it click, and then your takedown lever should stay in the 6 o'clock position. Once you've done that, you can take your slide. You're going to take these two openings right here and here. So you're going to slide those two areas onto the rails right here and here. And it's going to look something like this. Just like that. And then what you do is once you get to here, you're going to push up and hold up on the slide lock again, pull the slide to the rear, and it should lock. Notice that my takedown lever automatically went to the 3 o'clock position. If yours didn't, all you have to do is just pull that to the 3 o'clock position, and you're in the same spot that I am right now. Then take the slide, grip it from the rear, pull it to the rear. You're going to see that slide lock release, follow the slide forward, and now you're finished. So basically this is your P365 with a P365 XL grip module on it. And I do like the way it feels. It feels great in hand. So comparing the two grip modules, you have your standard P365 grip module, and then you have your XL grip module. They are almost identical. So if you look at it like this, so from tip to tip, and basically from the rear, it's exactly the same, except for this beaver tail. This is the only thing that sticks out further on the XL versus the standard P365 grip module. And then the other thing that's different is this bottom part. This is the piece that's a little bit longer on the XL versus the standard P365. But if you have a 12 round mag and you insert it like this, boom, now you have the same size as the XL. The only difference is the mag well is flared out on the bottom of the XL, so it'll probably make it a little bit easier to do a mag change. When you're trying to release the mag for the standard P365, my palm is touching the magazine and it doesn't freely drop, as you can see. I actually have to reposition my hand and push the button, so this way the palm is not touching and holding the mag in place. But for the XL, I can drop the mag easily without the magazine touching my palm. It does work better. I only have to move my palm slightly, so this way I can drop that mag with the XL grip module. So that is one of the benefits. Now, one thing to note is that if you have the 12 round mag for your P365 and you want to get an XL, you are going to have to change the bottom plate. And when you buy your 12 round mag, it does come with a flat bottom plate. For the life of me, I can't find mine, so I can't switch this out to show you what it looks like. But basically all it is, it's a flat plate, and this would fit into your P365 XL grip module, and it would be flush with the bottom. Same thing with the 15 round mag. It comes with two bottom plates as well. So basically this is for your standard P365 and this is the floor plate for the XL. So same exact thing. Anytime you buy one of these magazines, you're gonna have two floor plates, one for the standard P365 and the other for the P365 XL grip module. But I do have to say the P365 XL grip module does feel really nice because it does give you way more to hold on to. Man, it's so much easier. Guys, one more thing to note. If you do swap out your grip module for a P365 XL, it will still work with the standard P365 holster. This is a Harry's holster. I will pin a link here for the review of this holster. It scored very, very high. Again, I have to give a shout out to DetroitHolsters.com. This video would not be possible without them sending out this grip module. They make some awesome custom grip modules, and they also make handcrafted custom holsters. Check them out at DetroitHolsters.com. Guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.